Welcome, readers, to my backyard where I'm sitting and also to my author page. I am Jamie Weil and I am a hybrid author. So I'm both traditionally published, I work for hire, I've written a book and then tried to sell it. I've self-published as of my last book. And I also write across genre. So I've written for the education market, children's books, and I've written young adult novels, both a contemporary and a thriller. And my latest is a body, mind, spirit, self-help book that really came to me in a dream over a weekend workshop, and both were happening in sync. It's called Shine, when chasing sacred spaces goes dark, and really took place in the COVID season, as I called it, starting in March, which is when the dream came and the workshop was, and coming through December. And I was just really trying to get this out during this season because we're in such a flux of change. So I'm so happy that you found this page and the author page. I only learned during this journey, so self-publishing journey is really important. So I've had a lot of other books out here, but I've never really focused on getting it up and looking nicer than just it was. So I love the self-publishing route for this. It's taught me so many more things about how to create a book and about how that actually comes from when you, as an author, writer, actually write down the manuscript, and then you, the reader, see that manuscript. So welcome. I hope you come back and visit me often. I hope you communicate with me on social media or however, my website or some way, and that I get to know your stories, because I find stories about people fascinating. And each of us has such an important story. We're such unique beings, each one of us. And there is a book in all of us, but which is a whole thing, but there's also a story. And I love to listen to those stories that anybody I meet on a plane, in the grocery store, wherever, has about their lives. So that's how we understand the world. We understand the world through stories. And I have been writing them since I was a kindergartner. So to my future students and my past students of writers' workshops and all the ways you learn to write, you have a unique story to tell that's just yours. Nobody else can tell it. And you're beautiful. So share that with the world. Okay, thanks for coming, and buy a book. That's my call to action. Bye.